Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can share your Instagram link on Snapchat. Before you start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up Snapchat on your phone. After you open up Snapchat, click a story or a photo for you to share. After you click a picture, you'll be guided to this page. Now on this page, click on this pin option on the right hand side of your screen, which will guide you to this page. After that, simply type in instagram.com and hit the search button. Once you hit the search button, you'll be guided to this page. Now on this page, simply click on the login button and then fill in your Instagram phone number, username, email address and password. After you log into your Instagram account through your Snapchat like this, simply click on the attach to snap option on the bottom of your screen, and there you have it, your Instagram account has been linked to your Snapchat story. I hope this video helped you to link your Instagram to your Snapchat. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.